What's going on, guys? It's James with the game from Big J Smooth Removal and Lawn Care. And today we are out here working. You see the sky, right? It's gray. I gotta do this 1 yard, and then this is a new it's new people day. So what I did was, man, I dived in my email and I'm just taking everybody. So I had a lot of emails. So we got about 8 to do, all new people. I need this, so because my goal was to get to 140 clients, so I'm taking everything, and I'm even back to knocking on doors, guys. So let's get to it. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing right now, though. Hold on. All right, guys. So as you can see, I got some of the grass about the cracks. So that's what I'm getting ready to do now. I'm going to clean the grass out the cracks. Then I'm going to start on the lawn. As you can see, the lawn not too bad, but it needs some love. So I'm getting ready to cut this lawn. I'm getting ready to trim it. I'm getting ready to blow it. Pause. And we're going to get to it. All right, guys. It's a wrap. Everything is looking good. Got the cracks out the joint. Out the concrete. And we out. Another happy, satisfied customer. And this was a $30 job. $30. And we out.